Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today we are going to do Amazon haul, and this time there's a very small difference. I'll be unboxing it before you guys. Not all the items, 2 or 3 items I'll be unboxing it before you guys. Rest few I have already unboxed it. I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't wait. So I haven't received all these items together. I have received 2 of them day before yesterday. I have received 2 today. I don't have a lot of items, it's just very few of them, but then I wanted to show you guys because it is like of good quality. You guys also can buy it. So let's get started. So the very first item we are going to unbox, it's like very exciting one because these are sarees. So there are 2 sarees. Usually I do not buy sarees because I design it by myself, I stitch it by myself, but then this time when I got to see good discount, it was very cheap, I thought of giving it a try. These are cotton sarees. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh, this is a pretty saree. This retails for, actually I am not sure about MRP, but I will just check the bill and tell you guys. So this saree retails for $4.99 in total. I will just show you guys right now. Here it is. I hope you guys can see. So this is not that cheap, but then I really liked this material. So let me just open this. I got to see this saree while I was searching for Kerala saree, and I thought not to buy Kerala saree again. I thought that I would buy some similar saree which has got different design. This has got golden thread to it, and the border is turquoise blue, and there's golden shade as well as a red shade. This is like a polyester mixed material, and this is very soft. If we want to wear it as one layer, we can easily wear it as one layer. So it kind of resembles Kerala saree. So that's the main reason I got this. And the material is pretty good, and the quality is not bad. It's very soft material. That's something I really liked because we can wear it very easily. And throughout saree there is this border. At the end there is this golden thread work going on. That's it. It's very simple. I kind of like it. It's not bad. For 500 rupees I wouldn't say this is a steal. It's kind of okay. So it depends upon the place you stay. If you are staying in a place where you get sarees for cheap price, you need not go for it. But then if you are staying in a place like Goa where you have no option to get sarees for very cheap price, you can maybe give it a try. And this is the blouse material, the same material. I don't think I will cut this out and stitch blouse out of this. Maybe I will stitch a blouse of this golden color, like this red color. I do not regret buying it, but then I'm not very happy with this saree. Another saree, this is cotton saree. Thankfully there is no damage at all, and this one retails for $3.99. And again, let me just open this. Oh god, this is pretty guys. I think for $3.99 it's cool, it's really nice. This has got green, red and golden shade to it. If you guys can see, at the border part there is a very small strip of golden shade going on, and throughout this saree there is this check work going on. Wow, this is nice, I like it. And for blouse piece, it's just horizontal stripes or vertical stripes as we want it to be. So it's not checks. It's good, I like it. This one is really nice. The material is soft. It's not pure cotton. I would say it's kind of like polyester mix. So material wise, I really like it. I really like this saree. This is really nice. And at the end of pallu there is this thread work going. Something I liked. I think this is worth for money. For $3.99 I would say this is steal because material is really good. The color combination is really nice and vibrant, and the blouse piece is pretty good. So this is the next package I got from Amazon, and this is actually stretchable blouse. Here we go. Okay, so we have got 3 color stretchable blouse, and these 3 together retail for $5.99, and I got it in size medium, I guess. So it's a princess cut blouse, stretchable blouse, and this has got lace sleeves over here like so, and we can actually choose the colors. There are 3 different colors for each set. I have chosen the shades blue, red and black. This is gonna be loose for me, but that's fine. I can alter it out. I can even use it as a crop top or a blouse, or definitely as a sari blouse, or even I can attach some skirt or something like that and make it as a frock. So it's very versatile piece, and the quality is pretty good. It's not bad. I like it. This one is really good. Now let's see how the blue shade looks like. So this is very royal blue. When we open it, oh, this lace is different. The sleeve part is completely different than that of black one. Black one has a different kind of lace, and this blue one has a very different kind of lace. So this blue one is again of same pattern. This has got princess cut and lace on its sleeves, and again this is going to be pretty loose for me, but then that's okay. I can alter it. So this one is also good, and let's see how the red one looks like. It has got lace sleeves, princess line cut is there. So that is that. I'm pretty happy with this. I think for $5.99, 3 top stretchable good quality top is good, nice, very versatile top. So this one is something I'm quite happy about. And next one is a sari blouse, and this one I got it for $3.99 plus 50 rupees delivery charges. This one is of golden color and has got elephant embroidery print going on, and to the sleeves also there is embroidery, elephant embroidery, and back part it is like this. Throughout its neck there is small embroidery work, and it is padded as well. So for $3.99 I would say it's a good blouse. And again, it's very big for me, but it's okay. I can definitely alter this. This is gonna go very well with Kerala sari, but now it retails for $4.99, and for $4.99 I don't think it's that worth, because the embroidery work is pretty good. It's not bad, but the finishing is not that great. It doesn't look that neat and professional. Dori is something I didn't like at all. It's not again of great quality. I need to tell you guys is that it has got different colors. This blouse is available in red, blue, green and yellow, I guess. If you can get it on for just $3.99, then that's worth. It's not bad. So next, the very last thing I need to show you guys is this curtain. So these are like window curtains, and it's pretty good, guys, of very nice quality, and I got it for $3.50 for both the pieces together. 2 pieces together it's $3.50, and it didn't had any delivery charges, and for $3.50 I think it's very nice. It's of great quality, and the color is also pretty good. It is of double color, light turquoise blue and dark blue shade is there, and print is also pretty good. I like it. It's not bad. So all in all, I absolutely loved this sari. I think it's worth for money. Even the curtain is also pretty good. For $3.50 I think it's a good steal. And next thing I loved, next thing I liked is this crop tops. I really like it for the fact that it's very versatile. We can style it the way we want, and maybe we can convert it to maxi dress. So I'll be definitely leaving the links for these products down in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check it out. And let me clarify, guys, none of these links are affiliated to Amazon. That means I'm not gonna earn anything if you are gonna buy from the links I provide. So I'm not sure whether it's gonna be the same price. It might differ. It might be more, it might be less. So please don't quote me on that. Maybe what you can do is like put it in cart, and whenever you find it in good discount, you can buy it. That's what I always do with Amazon or of any shopping website. If I like something, I always put it in cart. I always check it out, and whenever I feel that it's in very good discount, I buy it. That's what I always do. So you can try the same. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And also please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you very soon in the very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.